That video that you've just seen at the start of this video, I recorded this video in Embakasi constituency. For those who do not know Embakasi constituency, this is a constituency in Nairobi County, the larger Nairobi County, and Embakasi constituency is headed by Honorable Babu Owino or Paul Ongili. Something needs to be done, and urgently. That was my first time using that road. It leads from Fedha stage all the way down past Nyayo estate to a stage called Kondege. The road is in shambles. That cannot be happening in Nairobi or anywhere in Kenya with us paying taxes. It's not right. It's not right at all. The road is in a bad state. Honestly, that very day when I was recording this video, there was a tuk-tuk that was coming the other way. It nearly fell because there are a lot of potholes. People are suffering. People are losing money on that road. Time is being wasted. And you wonder why Kenya is in debt? It's because of such things.
Hi guys, this is Honel and this is Pitch Vlogs. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.